Instagram, how's it going? Crazy Chef D here. I'm quickly showing you today through a video how to detail your bike, or more like how I detail my bike. Not saying I'm some sort of a professional or anything, but some people have asked and this is how I do it. So I'm kind of shooting an intro or something, and because I figured it would be a lot easier to just do a voiceover rather than too much text. Right now I am in the middle of putting wax. I decided to do an intro like this a lot later, so that's why I'm so far along in the process. Obviously when you see the video, it'll be all the way from the beginning. Yeah, so I've currently washed the bike. These are the products I use, by the way. So this is Formula 1 scratch out. This is for scratches and swirl marks. Formula 1 is, in my experience, a great product to use. A lot of you automotive fanatics out there must know about it as well, thanks to their this product. Okay, she's all done. As you can see, damn shiny. Everything everywhere is shining properly, especially the tank. Although with a black bike, it is very difficult to get rid of dust like this. I keep wiping it and it keeps coming back and settling. There is nothing you can do about it. So yeah, just a quick summary. The products I'm using is Scratch Out and Carnauba Car Wax from Formula 1. And as you can see, it does a phenomenal job even on black bikes, except that dust thing I told you about. And yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments or feel free to DM me. And yeah, just gonna end this video with a quick cinematic B-roll, so enjoy that and thank you for watching.